Hey guys, welcome back to Good Clean Reads. I'm really excited for today's video, which is the unboxing of this faith and fiction book box. I believe the book they chose is the Wonderland Trials by Sara Ella, and I have heard nothing but good things about that book. So let's begin. Here's how it comes packaged. I like that. So it includes this little card with everything that comes in it. I am not going to look at the list because I want to see it as I go along. Lots of this grass. Just put that off to the side. Oh hey, they've got like, I don't know if you can see it, but there are little stars in there. That's so cute. Oh, okay, so cute. There's this little pouch. That's really adorable. So there's a sticker. It says "Welcome to Wonderland" on it, so it's the same design as the spoiler card from the beginning. Move that out of the way. Oh, cool. It's a deck of playing cards. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, there's no, just, aha! Deck of playing cards. What's this? Oh, that's, I think these are socks. That's fun. And then there is, oh, I think loose leaf tea and a little thing for it. Flourisher's Fate, lemongrass, ginger, and honey. Oh, I'd open it, but it's taped. And then there's a little, you put the loose leaf in here and stick it in your cup. Oh, that's neat. I'm gonna stick that back in there. More grass. This comes with a lot of stuff. Here's another thing. What is this? Oh. Oh, little mushroom hair clips. That's funny. Let's see. That's so funny. These are cute. The little mushroom hair clips. And then finally, oh, this is a decent sized book. Oh, and there's something in there. Whoa. Okay, so I think these are bookmarks, but these are really pretty. And then here's the book. This is a very pretty book. And signed by Sara Ella. I have heard so many good things about, oh, that is so cool. I have heard so many good things about this book that I am so excited to read it. So, thank you for watching my unboxing of the Faith and Fiction book box as grass spills everywhere. Just gonna clean this up really fast. Thank you so much for watching my book box unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please check out some of the other ones on my website, goodcleanreads.com, and check out some of my book reviews. So my mission is to help Christians be discerning in what we read by guarding our hearts with all, or to guard our hearts with all vigilance, for from it flows the springs of life. So check them out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!